Hello everyone. Today we look at the crypto market update, and first we start with Bitcoin. BTC price is 108,290 $1.30, and it changed down 118.11 about 0.11%. Bitcoin is almost stable, but sellers are a little stronger. Ethereum ETH price $4,395.91, change up 35.47 about 0.81%. Ethereum is moving up, showing some investor hope. And other Bitcoins, Cardano ADA, $0.8343 down, $0.0330, about 3.80%. Binance Coin BNB, $860.52, down 0.26%. Ripple XRP, $2.8290, up 0.37%. And another part, small coins with big moves. Lumens XLM, $0.3612, up 11.05%. Tron TRX, $0.3395, up 4.39%. Icon ICX, $0.1282, up to 0.27%. And basic attention token BAT, $0.1531, up to 41.25%. Nano $14.322, up 378.66%. And losers today, OmiSco OMG, $0.1726, down 20.39%. Decentraland Mana, $0.2870, down 11.76%. And EOS, $0.4971, down 8.30%. And other markets, stocks and gold, Dow features $45,633, down 0.16%. And Nasdaq features $23,454.50, down 1.32%. 3,000 for gold, $3,516.10, up 1.20% for gold. And crude oil, $64.01, down 0.91%. And for market, here we see that Bitcoins like Bitcoin are quiet or down. The small coins are like a roller coaster. Some go up very fast, like Nano. Some fall hard. And here we see that the stock markets are weak. Only gold looks safe today. In short, we can say the market is mixed. Fear and hope are fighting. The global stock markets were mostly red, which means they went down in Google Finance stock market indexes. In the United States, the S&P 500 fell about 0.64%. The Nasdaq, which is full of the technology companies like Apple and Google, dropped the most, down 1.15%. The Dow Jones fell only a little, about 0.20%. This shows that technology stocks had a tough day. In Europe, Germany's DAX went down 0.57%. France CAC 40 also dropped almost 0.76%. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei was down a little, about 0.26%. But in China, the market went up. The Shanghai index rose 0.37%, and Hong Kong also went up 0.32%. So, what does this mean? It means that think of the stock market like thermometer for the economy. When it goes up, people feel positive, and when it goes down, people are worried. And today, investors in America and Europe were more fearful, but in Asia, especially in China, there was a bit of hope. In short, the world market are stuck between fear and hope. Bitcoin is now 167,082 Australian dollar, and yesterday it was 172,322. That means it dropped more than 5,239 in one day. What does this mean? If you bought one Bitcoin yesterday, today it is worth less. This called price volatility. The value goes up and down very fast. Why did it drop? The US central bank, the Federal Reserve, may change interest rates. When interest rates go up, investors move money out of risky assets like crypto. Many people started selling, and heavy selling pushes the price down. And other cryptos today, Ethereum is about 6,625. It went down 4.07%. And Litecoin, about 168, it went down 3.39%. And Dogecoin is about 0.328. It went down 4.74%. And Cardano is about $1.265. It went down 8.19%. So the whole crypto market is red today. And on news headlines, some experts say Bitcoin could even fall below $100,000 this year. Traders call next month's red September, meaning prices might keep falling. What does it mean? For people, if you already own Bitcoin, your value went down, and if you don't own it, maybe you can buy cheaper. And but remember, crypto is very risky. Prices can move 10% up or down in just one day. In short, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies dropped today because of fear about interest rates. The market is nervous, and September could bring more big moves. Why Google Pixel 10 is different? Bloomberg wrote something about this news. Today we talk about Google's new phone, the Pixel 10. Google says this phone is the best reason to switch from Apple or Samsung. But why? The big difference is AI, artificial intelligence. In the past, AI was just one app on your phone. Now, in the Pixel 10, AI is inside everything. When you search, text, take photos, or use the phone, the AI is always helping you. So this is not just a phone, it is like a smart assistant in your pocket. Apple is good for photos, Samsung is good for features, but Google says we have something new, deep AI inside the phone. That's why many people might think about moving from Apple or Samsung to Google. In summary, Pixel 10 is not just a phone. It's like a smart helper built into every part of the device. That's Google's big play against Apple and Samsung. Today's story is about a man who wants to build a new kind of country. Yes, not a government, not the United Nations, just one man with an idea. His name is Balaji Srinivasan. He is a big crypto investor. He looked at an empty city in Malaysia, a ghost town where nobody wanted to live. And he said, I will turn this place into a test for my new idea of a digital nation. What does that mean? Imagine a country with no borders on a map, a country that lives mostly online. People can join from anywhere in the world. The money is not dollars or euros or errors, and it's Bitcoin or other crypto. The rules and the laws are written and shared on the internet. And now why Malaysia? Because that city was already a failed project. No one lived there, so it's the perfect place to try something new. And it is very important because if it works, the way we think about countries might change forever. You might not need to be born in a place to become its citizen. You could choose your digital country just like you choose an app or a website, but it's still an experiment. Nobody knows if it will succeed or fail. A crypto investor is trying to turn a ghost town in Malaysia into a digital nation. It could be the future of countries or just a dream. Today, China is holding a very important meeting with Russia and India. They want to build a security group, almost like a football team, that can stand against the team of America and its allies. Right now, the world looks like a big chess game. One side is the United States with Europe, Japan, and Australia. The other side is China with Russia, Iran, and some Asian countries. It is very important because it means the world may not have only one big leader anymore. We may see two powerful groups, one led by Washington and one led by Beijing. This could change the future of business, energy, technology, and even the internet. So, what we are watching is not just a meeting, it's the start of a new world competition. Today, China is holding a very important meeting with Russia and India. They want to build a security group, almost like a football team, that can stand against the team of America and its allies. Right now, the world looks like a big chess game. One side is the United States with Europe, Japan, and Australia. The other side is China with Russia, Iran, and some Asian countries. Today, business news is about airports. Before, when you wanted to fly, security always asked you to take off your shoes. It was slow, annoying, and uncomfortable. Now, the TSA has changed the rule. You don't need to take off your shoes anymore at airport security. And what's next? Right now, there's also a rule that says your liquids like water, juice, perfume, or shampoo must be in small bottles less than 100 millimeters, about 3.4 ounces. Soon, this rule might also change, so travel will be easier. Why does it matter for business? If security is faster and easier, passengers all less stressed, flights move on time, more people want to travel, and airlines and tourists make more money. In very simple words, this change means that travel is easier for people and good for travel business too. Topic about why Russian influencers moved from Instagram and YouTube to Telegram. The beginning in Russia, Instagram and YouTube were blocked or restricted. Imagine one morning a shop owner comes and sees the door of their shop is locked. That's what happened to influencers. Their main place of work was closed. And the big problem, an influencer makes money by posting content and ads for their followers. When Instagram and YouTube were blocked, their income stopped. It's like a singer suddenly losing their microphone. They cannot perform anymore. For the solution, so they moved to Telegram. Why Telegram? It is very popular in Russia. People spend a lot of time there, and influencers can make channels and still earn money from ads. When the supermarket, imagine for example, in simple words, when the supermarket closed, they opened a small street shop instead. At the result, this shows that business always finds a way. When one market is closed, another one opens. Russian influencers proved that with creativity, you can survive limits and still make money. And it is a business lesson. When one path is blocked, don't give up. be like water. Water always finds a way to flow. Topic about why Russian influencers moved from Instagram and YouTube to Telegram. The beginning in Russia, Instagram and YouTube were blocked or restricted. Imagine one morning a shop owner comes and sees the door of their shop is locked. That's what happened to influencers. Their main place of work was closed. And the big problem, an influencer makes money by posting content and ads for their followers. When Instagram and YouTube were blocked, their income stopped. It's like a singer suddenly losing their microphone. They cannot perform anymore. For the solution, so they moved to Telegram. Why Telegram? We have a big news today is about computer chips, the brains inside our computers and AI. Right now, American company NVIDIA makes the world's most powerful chips, but the US has told NVIDIA you can't freely sell these chips to China. So what happens? China says, fine, we'll build our own. One Chinese company called Cambricon is becoming a serious competitor. In the first half of the year, Cambricon made record profits, but and here's the warning: their stocks price is going up very, very fast, like a balloon that's filling with too much air. It could pop. Why does it matter? Because chips are the oil of the 21st century. However, controls chips controls the future of AI, the economy, even the military. So the US and China aren't just trading goods. They are in a race for the future of technology. Another news from Bloomberg, it's about Trump's global tariffs found illegal. And we talk about this news that sounds very big and complicated. Trump's global tariffs were found illegal by a US court. Let's make it break down and simple. What is a tariff? A tariff is just a tax on things that come from other countries. Imagine you have a street market. Normally, anyone can sell fruit there. But one person says, if you bring fruit from another street, you must pay extra money. That extra money is called a tariff. And what did Trump do? When Trump was started the tariff as a president of United States, he put tariffs on many products from other countries. He said, I was to protect American workers and factories. If foreign goods become more expensive, people will buy more American goods. Uh, it's made a problem, and why it is a problem. A US court said Trump used a special emergency law to do this, but the judges decided this was not a real emergency. He went too far that make it illegal. So are the tariffs gone? Not yet. The court said, okay, the tariffs can stay for now while we continue the case. They didn't want to suddenly remove them and create chaos in global markets. In real life, for normal people, public, imported goods like phones, clothes, or electronics get more expensive. For US factories, they feel safer because foreign products cost more. And for other countries, they are unhappy because selling to America becomes harder. In business lesson, a tariff is like a teacher saying in class, the students from outside the class must pay extra money to join, but local students can come free. It helps local for a short time, but in the long run, it can cause unfairness and big problems. Another news from Business Insider, it's a story about Morgan Stanley, one of the biggest banks in America, asked more than 500 summer interns in 2025 about their favorite things, what water bottles they use, what shoes they wear, and how they exercise. Why is this important? These interns are the next generation of Wall Street workers. In a few years, they will become managers and decision makers. So, by looking at their choices today, we can understand the future of business trends. What did they find? About 70% of the interns were 21 years old or younger. Their answers show that Gen Z values and how they live. It's not only about fashion or brands, but also about how young professionals see the world. It's like asking today's college students, what do you like to buy and use? Because tomorrow they will be the main customers, leaders, and trend setters. So this survey is not just about bags, shoes, or water bottles. It's a window into the future of markets and culture. Winners and losers in the AI software world. Artificial intelligence is like a big earthquake shaking the software industry. Some companies will grow stronger and some will fall. In the past, beginning a big company was enough to survive. If you had money and many customers, you were safe. But now, in the AI era, that is not enough. The real key is innovation, creating new ideas, moving fast, and adapting to change. Think about this example. Blockbuster was a huge video company, but when Netflix and online streaming came, Blockbuster did not change. It failed. Sears and Barnes and Noble were also very big, but the internet created new companies that replaced them. So the lesson for businesses, big old companies can lose if they don't innovative. Small new companies can win if they use AI in smart and creative ways. AI is changing everything. Winners will be the companies that's innovative. Losers will be the ones that stay still and think size alone will protect them. Winners and losers in the AI software world. Artificial intelligence is like a big earthquake shaking the software industry. Some companies will grow stronger and some will fall. In the past, beginning a big company was enough to survive. If you had money and many customers, you were safe. But now, in the AI era, that is not enough. The real key is innovation, creating new ideas, moving fast, and adapting to change. Think about this example. Blockbuster was a huge video company, but when Netflix and online streaming came,